Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome, this is Voice It Out Broadcast Network, where we inspire change by helping you bloom beyond boundaries. My name is Wangere Njeri, and today, being a Friday, Social Friday, hashtag I have a dream of a better society, I'm privileged to have a guest, and we will be talking about his work and everything. I'm here to interact with him. So let's do this. So we'll begin by introducing yourself. Please tell us your name.
Hello, my name is Carlos. My name is Carlos Bebeto.
Hiyo ndio majina iko kwa IP.
Yeah, my name is Carlos Bebeto.
Okay. Na huku mtaani watu wanakuitaje?
Carlos.
Carlos.
Yes.
So Carlos.
Yes.
What do you do?
Yeah, I'm a freelance software developer. Basically what that means is I develop web applications, mobile applications, and desktop applications. Yes, using different programming languages. Yes.
So is that what you've always wanted to do?
I wouldn't say it's what I've always wanted to do, but it was part of what I always wanted to do. Yes.
Developing software.
Yeah.
Is it in line with what you did in campus?
No, it's not in line with what I did in campus. Yeah.
What did you do in campus?
I did what you'd say chemical engineering, but when I was doing it, it was called industrial chemistry. Yes.
But you had a passion for developing software.
Yeah. But again, I had a passion for chemistry because that is actually the course I chose before I went to campus.
Okay.
Yes.
So how much did it cost you to start developing software?
Nothing really. It cost me my time because I told you I didn't have to enroll in any school to learn software development. I just went to the internet and I started downloading tutorials for different languages. I remember I started with a programming language called C, and I just loved the structure, the order. So that built up that passion for programming. I learned those languages. That's now what I'm doing.
So what services do you offer?
The services I offer?
I
offer web development services, Android app development services, and of course I offer search engine optimization services for different people who have their own websites online already, but they want to optimize those websites for Google search and that kind of thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I also do projects, academic projects for people.
Okay. So who are your number one clients?
My number one clients?
Yeah.
Because we are around the university.
Was
my number one clients are the students. Of course.
Okay. Do you have a group of people whom you call your reliable customers?
Group of people I call my reliable customers?
Yeah. Wenye hawezi kuacha.
Wenye hawezi kuniacha.
Ama every day you have someone new?
Not every day I have someone new, really. But I wouldn't really put anyone in that category of reliable because it depends with what someone wants to do. Maybe with their business, because I help people a lot with their businesses. Maybe putting it online and everything. Yes. So it's not an everyday thing. It's a thing that recurs itself with different people. So maybe, for example, I can do something for someone's business, maybe create a website, a simple website for them for today, for example. So I can take maybe a month or so doing that. But then after it's uploaded, I'll have to do maybe an update maybe after 6 months or something. So you see, it's not an everyday.
What mode of advertisement do you use?
I just use mainly social media, like WhatsApp and of course Instagram. Yeah.
So what's your Instagram
handle? My Instagram handle, you will find me at Silver School of Codes. Yeah.
Silver School of Codes.
Yeah, just like that. Silver School of Codes. You go to Instagram, you search Silver School of Codes. Okay.
What are some of the challenges you faced in your industry?
In my industry? Some of the challenges are, you see, convincing a customer to use a different programming language than they wanted to use because you understand programming better than they do. So, for example, someone might want to develop a website with another different programming language that I don't think will be productive for them. So, convincing them to use a different one when they have already made up their minds is a challenge sometimes.
Okay.
Yes.
Apart from that, are there any other challenges?
Not really. Not really. I think maybe there is some bias to that. Maybe there is some bias to that. But it's because I love the job, so it's hard to really point out the challenges. But one of the challenges would be convincing a customer or getting that customer to agree with you. Yes.
What are some of the requirements that you need to sustain your business?
To sustain my business, I wear equipment that are very important to my job, like laptops, and of course I need a desktop computer for myself. Of course, the specifications for these computers, they are not normal. They are fast. The computer has to be faster and everything. Apart from that, of course, you will need some to create a web development environment for your machine. So you will need softwares like code editors and all that to help you do your work.
Languages zinatumika hapa.
Ziko.
Okay, so what I'm understanding from your industry is that you're somehow related with things to do with cyber.
Okay, yeah.
So as you're aware, a lot of cybers are associated with cyberbullying, hacking. How do you ensure that your business is not tainted with such kind of crimes and offenses?
Okay.
How do you avoid them?
It's true that my line of work has a lot to do with cyber. So what I do personally is to ensure that at all given times when I'm working, I stay out of situations that could lead me to, or that could get me into being charged or being taken to be a cyber criminal or something. So, for example, some clients may come here and they want me to do something illegal for them, probably. Yeah, I come out blatantly and just not do it.
Okay.
Yes. It's as simple as that. I think it's as easy as just having ethics for your business. So there are limits to what you can do or allow yourself to do. Yes. Stick by them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I ask the kind of softwares you've so far developed?
Oh yeah. I've developed websites for business websites, that is corporate and small business websites. So for companies and small businesses, just small businesses like small cybers around. And of course, I've developed Android applications, but usually they're for myself, my own kind of work, because I told you that I also do project management for students and for other people, not just necessarily students, for companies too. So for example, a company wants to do some kind of research, I help that with that too.
Okay.
So I built, actually right now we have a platform for that. Yes.
Could you share your online platform?
Yes, the online platform is found at projects.simplinehub.co.ke.
So make sure you visit that online platform for this business.
And we also have a website.
Yeah.
You can visit it at www.simplinehub.co.ke.
Okay. Make sure you visit those websites and platforms. Yeah, so that you can support him and you get to see what he's doing. So Carlos, when did you start your business?
Freelance software development. I started a long time ago actually.
How many years?
I don't know. It's been more than 5 years right now. I think I started in 2016. I was very young then. When I did, Um, I started small. I think it happened so um, funnily, for lack of a better word. So I saw a friend of mine writing some lines of code on a piece of paper, and then I just loved how those lines of code were arranged. And maybe I'm a person who likes order a lot. So just because of that, I got interested, and that's how I started learning programming. And then soon after that, I started developing websites. So I developed a simple static website that doesn't use any database. Yeah, and since then I've been developing websites. Though when I started, I was not really making any kind of money from it. I was doing it and just loving doing it without making anything from it. Yeah.
Okay. So in the 5 or so years,
Yes.
what are the kind of companies you've worked with so far? Like their line of duty?
I've worked with CBOs, community-based development organizations, to help them optimize their websites, because you'll find that most of them already have websites. So they only need someone like me or someone in my line of work to help them update or upgrade their websites, and also optimize their websites for such as for Google search, those kinds of things. I've also worked with the small businesses like cybers, eateries, and all that to develop websites for them. Yeah.
Okay. So, what advice would you give someone who wants to start up any kind of a business?
Any kind of business. I think first, if you are one person who wants to venture into business, it will be important for you to sit down, know the kind of business you want. For example, once you know that, then you can be able to come up with some kind of budget. So that budget sets the limits that you can go when you are just starting for that business. Yes. And it's also important to know where you want to start it. So the place really matters. Yeah.
Okay. So again, what would you advise someone who wants to venture in the kind of business that you're doing?
For people who want to venture into software development, so maybe they like it and they want to do it for work, I'd advise them to first identify the field in software development that they want to venture in, because they are web developers out here.
It's right.
Yes, it's a bit right. People go to, they are web developers, they are Android app developers. Then we have front-end, back-end developers. We have different kinds of developers. So once you know if you want to be a front-end developer or a back-end developer or a full stack. Full stack is when you are back-end and front-end at the same time. Then you are able to understand the types of languages, the kinds of languages you need to learn. Then you start learning. Yes.
Okay. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you've gotten something that you can do whatever you want, so long as you have passion for it. And if everyone was just to do what they love, we would actually have a better society where everyone is respecting each and everyone's occupation and work, and everyone is supporting each other with love and kindness. That's the kind of society that we should have and that we are advocating for as Voice It Out Broadcast Network. So thank you so much for watching. My name is Wangere Njeri, and I've been with Carlos. Maybe your last words?
My last words?
Yes.
Okay, I think my last words would be, if you are out there and you want to start something, maybe it's not a business, or maybe it's just a skill you want to learn, or it's just a new challenge you want to take up. I think make the decision within you to just do it, because you don't have any control over what will happen if you don't, or if you do. So yeah. And again, about helping the society, you mentioned it. It reminded me of something.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm using my skills in software development not just to make money, because really it's not about money.
Yeah.
It's about helping people.
Yeah.
So I'm using those skills to help people out. So I decided to start an online school. So you can find the school soon. We're coming up soon this year, maybe February then, at Silver School. Yes. And it's not just going to be about web development. The Silver School platform will allow anyone who wants to share their knowledge and skills with the world to come in the platform and become an instructor. So you apply to become an instructor there, and then you can upload your content to help people.
Wow.
Yes.
That's so amazing. And sitaki kuongeza mengi. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you visit the websites you mentioned and platforms so that you can also see what he's doing and support his business. My name is Wangere Njeri. Let's meet next week on our next videos.